We're going to be making this interactive map of Canada where we have a screen that's going to look something like this, where we can click on a province and it'll bring us to that province. The first thing I'm going to do is get a picture of Canada. I did a Google search for map of Canada and I opted on, I like this one. I'm just going to click and add to photos. I want to get rid of the background of all of that stuff, so I'm going to go to an application called MagicEraser. Click on the X to get rid of the advertisement. Then I'm going to crop my picture. Go to the top of Ellesmere Island, to the edge of Queen Charlotte's, to the bottom of the Great Lakes, to the edge of Newfoundland. Done. Then I'm going to use the tolerance tool to get rid of all of these different colors. Like that. It doesn't have to be perfect. After that, I'm going to use my eraser tool. I'm going to start with a big eraser, so I'm going to adjust the size of this. I'm going to get rid of all of this extra writing and stuff that's over here. It's down here. And be very careful with the edges. Good enough. Press the save button, click high resolution, so it's saved as high resolution. Then I need a transparent version of that. Not completely transparent, but about 50% transparent. I'm going to go into my sketchbook. I'm going to get a new image. Recents, that one, done. And then I'm going to click on the layer where it says opacity. Opacity is how transparent something is. So I'm going to bring it to about 50% transparency. All right, then save the image. Save image. I'm going to go into GoodNotes. I'm starting at 0, 0, and I'm just writing 50, 100, because each little square is going to be 10. That's 50 pixels, 100 pixels, 150, 200, 250, 300, 350, and so on. So I'm just putting all of these across here. Out of laziness, I'm going to copy it and paste it again, and paste it again. The top, the middle, and the bottom. And then I'm going to do that vertically. Like that. And that's going to give us the coordinates of Canada. I'm going to get an image in photos, the transparent image we just made right there. I'm going to crop that, otherwise it's hard to resize. Done, and then I'm going to drag it to resize. The vertical can't be longer than 600 pixels. Resize it, it's still a bit big. That's fine. It doesn't have to be exactly 600 pixels. I'm going to drag it back so my Queen Charlottes are at 0. My Ellesmere Island is at the top, and that's fine. We're going to start with Quebec. I want to outline Quebec. I don't want to outline it perfectly like this. That's going to take forever. I'm going to outline it like that. Do something that looks like this. I'm going to start here and go over to here, then down to here, then back to here, down to here, up to here, down to there, over to here, to here, to there, and then we're done. But I need to get the coordinates of all those. That's why I wrote all those numbers down. We're going this way first. It's 400. And this is 250, 260, 270, 400, 270. This is going to be 500, 270. The next point down here is 540, 350. Then this point here is 510, 350. Then this point down here is 540, 390. Then 610, 350. Then 610 again, and 420. Then 560, 440. This point, 540, 470. And this point is 540, 500. Then 510, 510, 500, 500. Just above Ottawa is 480, 510. Then this point is 450, 500. This point is, this is 430, 430. And our last point is 400, 350, and there we go. Those are all the points. Instead of switching back and forth, you could print this out, take a screenshot and print it, or you could send it to another device. I'm just going to send it to my other device. Then into Safari, to my posts. I need to upload my image of my map of Canada. So I'm going to click on my photo post option in the photo library. I'm going to go to my recents. I don't want my transparent image of Canada here. I want the good one. So that one, and done. Just at the bottom here, we have a little post button. Click on that, and then it'll post. We're doing this so we can get the image that we're going to use in our programming. I need the address of this image. Click on it, go to copy, go up to the search bar, and paste that in. So on your keyboard, Command V is paste. Command A, select all that, copy that. I'm going to go to the edit appearance, go to edit theme. To edit the theme, I have to be in Google Chrome. I want to add a page. And the page I'm going to add is going to be my Canada page. I need custom layout. I need to show a link to this page. So I'm going to type in Canada. I'm going to add that to my URL down here. Canada. And then I'm going to put in my HTML. So I need an HTML tag. And then I need an image tag, IMG. I need an ID for that. It's going to be my Canada image, IMG, capital I. Then the source, SRC, is that address that we copied. It ends in PNG, so we know it's the address of an image. Then I'm going to put a little slash like that. Update the preview. We should see Canada, and we do. Now I need to get it the right size. Remember, the size of Canada is in our GoodNotes. The size of Canada was 700 pixels wide. I'm just going to tell it that it's 700 pixels wide. I'm going to do that using some CSS. I'm going to make a style tag right here. Style. The type is going to be text / capital CSS. Then I'm going to put in a hashtag Canada image with an open brace bracket, closed brace bracket. Make its position absolute so we can move it around. Its position from the top, I'm just going to give it like top is 0 pixels. From the left is going to be 0 pixels. Then its width. Width is, because it's an image, if you just specify the width, you don't have to do the height. It'll adjust the height to keep it proportional. The width is 700 pixels. Update the preview. There it is, resized. Now we want to put in our button for Quebec. We're going to be making something called an SVG, Scalable Vector Graphics. We're going to be drawing a button. That's going to be the outline. That's why we got all those coordinates.